So in this video, I want to talk about BUN, which is a Node.js replacement, so to say. Why has it become popular so soon? And then build a simple application using BUN. So let's start with the basics. What is BUN? So a couple of weeks back, BUN was released and took the Node.js world by storm. It's a JavaScript runtime and toolkit like Node.js. For those of you who are familiar with Node.js, BUN is just a replacement for Node.js. It's like a drop-in replacement for Node. When you replace Node with BUN, your application will continue to work just fine. It's totally backward compatible. BUN 1.0 is a toolkit to build and run JavaScript and TypeScript apps. It aims to simplify and eliminate unnecessary complexity while retaining the best parts of the JavaScript ecosystem. So why was it created in the first place? So the primary driving force to create BUN was performance improvement over Node. Example, a simple console log runs 4 times faster in BUN. It boasts faster package installation and file operations compared to Node. It comes with a set of optimized APIs to help you with basic tasks like getting a server up and running or working with files. It supports TypeScript and other modules out of box, no dependencies needed. Why it's so fast? So BUN uses a more performant JavaScript engine. It basically uses Apple's JavaScript core, which was built for Safari, while Node uses Google's V8. And there are some other smart choices made as well, like after each task is completed in BUN's event loop, it checks if the memory usage went up and schedules the garbage collection in addition to the automatic one. So with all this background, let's go ahead and build a simple app using BUN. So the first step you need to take is to install BUN. I have installed the version 1.0.2 and you can also do the same. I'll be checking in this application to GitHub and this will be the URL I'll share in the description. So you will get access to all these commands and also the application. So go ahead and install. If you are watching, you should be able to access the repo and then install BUN. And then once you do the install, then just like Node, you need to first initialize a repository, which means you need to create your package JSON, etc. So go to terminal, and the best way can be, if you want, you can also follow the instructions given by BUN. It has pretty good documentation. So you can go to the quick start page and then you see the first step is BUN init. If you are familiar with npm init, then it's the same thing. So once you do this, you can select the default options and it will create a basic app for you. So it has created tsconfig, which is for TypeScript, and then we have a package JSON with dependencies, and you have a blank index.js file as well, sorry, index.ts file created by default. So now let's create a basic server. So like you can see, creating this package was a matter of seconds. We'll go ahead and create a server. Again, the code you can find either in this documentation or the repo I mentioned. Go ahead, save it, and then how do you run it? Running is simple, you just run the file. So it's like bun index.ts. Your server is up, access it, and you will see the message. So you can see how fast it is, how quickly I was able to create an application and get it running. And the code is just 5-6 lines of code to get a server up and running. So I'll suggest go ahead and play more with this, and feel free to replace Node with in one of your applications you can replace Node with BUN, and your application should work just fine and probably with better performance. So this is a quick introduction to BUN. Hope it helps you. I'll share all the links in the description. Thanks for watching.